Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow incoming requests from anyone on Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to allow anyone to request you money on Cash App, whether they're a friend, contact member, or basically any customer or client. How do you actually go ahead and enable that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go into the Cash App app. And then from here, you want to go in and click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. Next, you want to click on Security and Privacy located underneath Account and Settings. And then from here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Requests. So notice how it says Allow others to request money from you. If you click on Incoming Requests into anyone, you can toggle between Contacts Only, No One, or Anyone. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and allow incoming requests from anyone on Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.